Hello everyone, it's Vicki here today designing for Bramble Fox, and I'm using the November FoxBox. This is quite a quick video actually because this is a super simple layout, but I hope it gives you some inspiration. I want to use the sweater weather perspective, and I've pulled out all the bits and pieces, the sweaters and the little hats, and yeah, so that's what I'm looking to use here. So these papers are from Maggie Holmes' Marigold collection, I think, and I just want to create a colourful layer, a layer on my photo, on my layout for my photo to sit on. So I'm going to put the three papers, and I'm going to have the pieces sticking out the bottom be quite big because I want all those colours to show through, the pinks and the blues there at the bottom. Okay, so they're all ripped and there. So I'm just going to curl up the edges for a bit of extra texture, dimension. There we go. And I'm going to place my photo around there. I'm just playing with it to see if I want to tuck it in or if I want to put it on top. And yeah, just having a little play really. So it's going to go roughly there with the little title there. And I'm thinking about where I'm going to put my little pieces. And I like the little sweater there as well. And my next step is going to be to cut out lots of houses. I have another piece of this paper, so it's not just from this half. There are a few, and I just cut them out in the blues and the pinks. And I skipped through that just so that you didn't have to watch it all, but I have quite a few there. And I also have some trees. So you're just watching me cut out the tail end of those things. I wish I could fussy cut this fast in real life, but this is 4 times speed. Be great, wouldn't it? We'd fussy cut everything if we could cut that fast. Okay, so I'm just going to arrange the houses along this line here where the heart paper ends. So I realise I'm a house short to do all the way along, so I'm just going to cut out one more. And these are super simple to cut out houses, they don't take very long at all. There we go. So I've got my whole run of houses and trees. And you can see it's pretty simple at the moment, this layout. It's not too complicated, but I think the houses look quite effective along there. And I almost think they look like winter. I'm not certain why I think that. It just feels like they look like winter houses. And yeah, I like the effect that I got from it. Winter houses. That's interesting. I don't think there's such a thing as winter houses. Houses in winter. Oh my goodness, I'm tired today. Okay, so that's that's my line of houses. Sorry if you heard that buzzing. That was my phone. A Skype call was coming in. But we'll ignore that for now. Okay, so those are going on there. Perfect. Just sticking the trees down too. There we go. So this photo is of my nieces just dressed in their winter woolies and looking cute as always. So I'm just going to back the photo just with a little piece of paper there. Very subtle border there for that. And I'm going to distress the edges just to add a bit of dimension as I've distressed the edges of the strips of paper. There we go, and that's going to go on some foam and stick there. I said this was pretty simple. We are near the end now, to be honest. So the photo is going to go there. The little sweater is going to go where it was, over on the right, the pink one. I leave the blue off. It's not quite the right blue to go next to that blue that's already there. So I wasn't keen on it, so I decided to leave that one off. There's a mess with my glue, but sort that out and stick that down. The sweater weather that Beacon 3-in-1 glue is just that little bit thick for the narrow parts of sweater weather, so I use my little fine liner. And that's fine when it's sticking flat. It was easier to use the Beacon 3-in-1 on the sweater because it was going on to ruffled up paper, so I wanted it to stick well. What am I thinking now? I'm probably thinking, what else do I need to put on here? But I actually realised then that the houses are everything, so I don't really need much more. I put that little hat on, but that's all I need. So that's the final layout. I hope it's given you inspiration for using your FoxBox. There's just a couple of close-ups here for you to take a look at. But thank you so much for watching. This has been Vicky for Bramble Fox. See you next time. Bye-bye.